Menteri Rangba Abarim ke jylla ubadairu nong elam makaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma. Ula pensyai ba ka lain permit kam deka kam ka bahap ka keti jong ka sorkar jylla ndrai ka hap ha ka sorkar pedeng. Kumta ha ka por bulalong Menteri Rangba syamlekular ban walam mek ILP. Marutip ba ka sorkar pedeng kan penhun ya kata kejing dawa. Bat kumta la tau no da ka MRSSA arajar kan rio kebalong kaan bala tau bahap o ka bor ba ka jylla kadon mentela kam kejing wandrung bean ki beriku banabar. Lepen pau gajin sokya bagi sorkar MDA kalawan ka bor ka senam arajar kat pra kelatmu ban pen kelai kenekaan klam da pen trekam syai kaan ke bamenshwa bat kani ke jempen kelai kelayat palat ka bor ka baga jylla kadon kebala penlong ya ulat ke jylla ban pa ka syaka sorkar pedeng kebala penlong ya kaan ban sakut haduk kini gisngi Dr. Mukul Sangma ulong baga sorkar kathok ba kemla ban pentrekam yaki entry exit point dan facilitation center namar ka hukum ka ying syari kat ba kadai pat ka kamram ka sorkar bantau ya ki kendon na ki guidelines ban penterekam ya kita kijaka ki ban kemi benia ula kentu ka sorkar MDA belada ki mchania ka MRSSA arajar ka nriau ki di bantau no dagaan ki bathamai ka ba kambit benia da ki ben riau kasi jantia bat garo na ki jingwan rung kertep ki beri ku banabar
but implement first. Today, what has happened to those identified areas which were supposed to be identified for entry-exit point? In other words, as per the law, the facilitation center. The government has lied to the people that it is because the court has said that in absence of proper guidelines, these facilitation centers should not operate. In absence of guidelines, whose job it is to give the guidelines? Whose job it is to prepare the guidelines? How the facilitation centers shall operate has to be governed by some guidelines. They didn't do their job. They cheated the people. That's why the MRSSA couldn't be implemented. Then subsequently, somebody took this MRSSA for judicial scrutiny. But these MRSSA, Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act 2016, have withstood the judicial scrutiny. But the proposed amendment went beyond the legislative jurisdiction of the state. That's why MHA has returned. That means you go beyond your job, beyond the mandate of the Constitution. Don't you know that when you go beyond the mandate of the Constitution, your action will become constitutionally infractuous? It is. Therefore, one has to know the job to which he is empowered to, the limitation thereof. We are in a federal structure. We cannot temper upon any subject which is in the union list. Yes. Therefore, when we make law, it must be well understood by the authors of that proposed bill, which ultimately, if passed by the House, will become an act after the consent, after the assent of the Honorable Governor, that we skillfully script the law within our legislative jurisdiction so that it can always withstand any judicial scrutiny. Full stop.